name's Jackson, and although you can't see it, the air around me is filled with many molecules and particles. The 5 most common gases found in Earth's atmosphere are nitrogen, which makes up 78% of the atmosphere, oxygen at 21%, argon at 0.93%, carbon dioxide at 0.04%, and trace amounts of methane, helium, and water vapor, among others. Some of these gases are known as greenhouse gases, meaning they absorb infrared radiation. The greenhouse effect, one of the main causes of global warming, is caused when heat is absorbed by these greenhouse gases and trapped in the atmosphere. But what makes a gas a greenhouse gas?
To understand why some gases are greenhouse gases and others aren't, we have to look at the shape of different gas molecules. All molecules vibrate, whether they're greenhouse or non-greenhouse gases. When molecules vibrate, their bonds get longer and shorter, causing the entire shape to change slightly. If a molecule only has 2 atoms, there are very few ways for it to change. But the more complex the molecule, the more it will change when it vibrates. One of the effects of this vibration is that the different charges of the molecule will move around. For example, H2O, or the water molecule, has a negative charge by the oxygen atom and a positive charge by the hydrogen atom. When the shape of the atom changes, the distance of the charges to each other shifts. This shifting happens at a certain frequency, and when the frequency of the shifting charges matches up with the frequency of an infrared ray, the molecule will absorb the ray. As you can see, whether a gas is a greenhouse gas or not depends on the number of atoms in the molecule, the structure of the molecule, and the polarity of the molecule.
Some greenhouse gases are better at absorbing infrared rays than others. Of all the greenhouse gases known as CFCs, such as trichlorofluoromethane and dichlorodifluoromethane, are the most effective at absorbing infrared rays. These gases actually are among the least abundant gases in the atmosphere. The most common greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane. Greenhouse gases have increased drastically since the Industrial Revolution in 1800. One of the greatest human contributions to greenhouse gases is the burning of fossil fuels. Carbon dioxide, for example, never increased more than 30 parts per million during any previous 1,000-year period in this record, but has always risen by 30 parts per million in the past 2 decades. Cows release methane, which is another cause of greenhouse gases being released into the atmosphere. As you can see, greenhouse gases are all around us, and there's much we can learn from them. Did you know that greenhouse gases are really bad?
No.
And they're all around us. You can't see them, but they're here.